Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
We're going to work on Volcadas technique today.
We're going to show you a very important tip detail to make it work from the very beginning.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
If you're ready, let's start working right now.
Okay, here we are. We'll show you the volcada. Side step, voleo, volcada, going to the cross, and resolution. Now, tips to make it work.
From the very beginning, right when we have the voleo, there is a point that most of the leaders and followers have an issue. Yes. So we always recommend having contact with the hip bone area instead of doing it from the arms, which might not be wrong, but we prefer this type of connection. We'll explain that in a second. But here's the thing. Let's start up with this. We have the voleo. Let's pretend that you know how to do the voleo here. If you're in volcada, you know how to do voleo. Now, we are going to create this position first. Leaders, 2 points. We are going to create the space and also lift her, but without transferring body weight to the left. Most common mistake is a lot of leaders will start going already here, which is bad for her. This is the point that I would like to create. 1 and 2. Once we have that point from there, then you can proceed to go front and cruzada.
Now, for the followers, taking advantage of a good leader doing that,
Yes.
we are going to work on our technique. So we have the voleo. When we connect with the leader after the voleo, I'm extending the right leg, I'm growing taller, I'm extending, expanding up, and I'm keeping my left leg on the back. If you notice, I'm not rushing to go front. I connect with the leader, waiting for him to move off axis, still my leg is here, and later on the maximum point, I will send the leg front and waiting for him to go to the front to go to the cruzada. So the most important for the follower is after the voleo, extensions here. I prepare all my position to go front to the volcada on extending the right leg. So it's not soft and it's not rushing the left leg. I'm positioning, floating here, waiting for the leader to go forward, I still look my back leg. While the back leg, the left leg in this case, is heavy. If from here I go by myself there, I'm pushing and rushing the moment and I'm rushing the leader.
Yes.
I will feel heavy to him. So to be lighter and to be in good position, control this moment, lifting the legs in the back. When he's totally on the off-axis position, then I send the left, passing by the front for a moment and going to the cross. So this is a very important tip that we have to give you. And there is one more tip, but before going to the tip, Leonardo is going to tell you something.
We would like to announce that I'm wearing the new line of tango pants for Tango Dapper. This one has 2 different buttons here, clips inside. We have the pleats, 3 pleats, very Argentine tango style, baggy at the knee and taper at the bottom. So it's brand new, it's not yet on the website, it'll be very, very soon. So stay tuned, MiriamLeonardoTango.com, and Miriam has new tops.
New tops, they are not on the website, they will be there soon. Probably when you watch this video, it's already on the website. So go to the website, there is many colors. It's short, so it's perfect to match with the skirt. Now on the back, it has a V shape and it's very stretchy fabric. So you can move, you can extend, and it have mesh and different fabric, different colors. So just go to the website and see the skirts and the top matching and choose your own.
Let us show you the volcada one more time from the other side. We're going to take a side step. Leaders, remember every time we lead the voleo, transfer body weight to the right. Don't stay on the left. So you can create this position. Once we have that, keep the connection. Can you see that my hip is in contact we are not here. And now from here we continue one all the way into the cruzada. And then of course we can resolve the step.
Last tip for the followers that I promised to give you after the talking is to have the upper body, the head back all the time. So I'm doing the voleo, this is center, axis. When we go forward, I'm moving forward ribs, but not head. Head is back. So when I go back, I move the head back first and then I cross. So this is very important tip to feel lighter on the partner and to have your own balance and posture.
Thank you for being here until the end. If you like what you saw, like, share, subscribe, and we are going to see you on the next video.